guys, come study with me. Today I'm going to be studying with you guys, I guess. And yeah, so I'm going to just start with drinking some water to keep myself hydrated, guys, keep hydrated. Anyway, and then I'm going to open my iPad and just find the file, I guess you could like find files or just take pictures of like your work or something. I like using turbo.ai to make my notes for me. I like just find a YouTube video or something and I post it into here, and it literally just makes notes for me. I guess today I think we'll do science and biology. Yeah, let's do biology. And basically these are the notes that they literally generated for me, and then I'm just gonna find something I want to do. So let's do nutrition and digestion. So yeah, now I'm gonna get out my pencil case to show you guys what I'm gonna be using to make this study page, I guess. So I'm gonna use this really inky pen I got from Temu. I really like it. It makes my handwriting look very nice. And then I'm also gonna be using this highlighter. It's purple and I really like it. It's like dual tip. And then I'm also gonna be using this 30cm ruler, but it's like a foldable one. So yeah, and I think that's it. Actually, I do use a whiteboard pen to draw on my iPad, so like I can like write what I want to write. So I guess that's all my equipment, basically what I use. And yeah, so what I do is like use my whiteboard pen to like draw on my iPad and like write what I want to do. I guess like cross out things I don't want to write, something like that, you know what I mean? Like take things that I do want to write, you know, just to make sure that I don't write things I don't need and that are not necessary. Or you can just like delete that in your actual notes. It's that easy, guys. Literally, you definitely need to get turbo.ai. It's not sponsored or anything, I just really like turbo.ai. So I'm gonna write my title, which is gonna be nutrition and digestion, with my inky pen. And yeah, I guess write that now that I've done writing my title, I'm gonna use my ruler so I can use my highlighter. But the thing is, my ruler is like double like foldable, right? And I use one side for the black pen and I use the middle bit for the highlighter because I do not want the highlighter to be black, because I don't want it to get mixed with the black stuff. So that's why I'm opening it, and I'm gonna basically highlight the title. Okay, now that I've done highlighting the title, I'm gonna write the subtitle, which is gonna be diagram, because I'm gonna be trying to draw a diagram, and that's gonna be hard, but I guess I got to do it anyway. And that's the subtitle. So yeah, I like to make it preppy and look cute. I got a rubber and a pencil because I'm not gonna draw a diagram with pen. You can't do that, like that's just gonna ruin the whole aesthetic. So I'm gonna find the picture of the diagram on my iPad, and I'm gonna open up the book and I'm gonna try like sketching it. So now I'm done drawing the diagram. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the lighting, but I'll show you guys after, because I'm gonna go over it with highlighter, but I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't want it to like mix with the pencil, and I want like the pencil to set a little bit. So while that's happening, I'm gonna annotate it. Okay guys, now while the pen's drying, I guess I'm gonna look for something else to draw, I guess. Oh wait, let me just turn down the brightness because I want you guys to see the thing I'm doing. So I'm just gonna do this table about nutrients. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna draw the table with my highlighter. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to highlight the diagram. Yeah, let's do the diagram. So I'm gonna highlight it with the purple so it's more visible. So I hope you guys can see it now. Okay, now that we've done that, I'm going to fill out the table with the nutrients. I'm just going to skip to that because it's going to take forever, but that's how it looks. And oh wait, I need the title. Totally forgot to do that. So I'm just going to wait for like the pen to dry. So while it's drying, I'm going to drink some water and I'll just write the title. Okay, now that I've done writing the title, this is how the table looks. It's pretty preppy, you know. So now we're just going to fill out this space by writing down some random information, I guess, about this story. So I'm just going to wait for the table to dry, like the heading, because it's not that smudge. And yeah, I have another book and it's like full of information and it's pretty preppy itself too. So I'm just going to look at that for like some information to write. So I'm looking now, I don't find anything. There. Okay, I think I'm gonna write this little bit over there because I think it'll fit the page. So I'm gonna write that now. But before I tell you that, I'm going to tell you something that literally works so well. I use this little paper to write anything that I don't understand in class and the teacher just doesn't explain it properly, and then I go home and study on it by myself, and it's literally a lifesaver. So now that I told you guys that, and you should do that too, I'm going to start writing the information. So yeah, that's the page. It looks pretty nice and it summarizes the subject that I'm learning pretty well. So I guess that's it, and that's how I study when I have homework or tests. So yeah.